Good morning. We're in Florence. It's a beautiful morning, about 7 o'clock. I'm trying not to talk too loud because I feel like a lot of people are still sleeping. Beautiful view of a garden downstairs. So excited. I woke up early, edited yesterday's video, and I would have to say, like, I'm kind of enjoying vlogging this trip, just talking to people and recording it and then coming back and looking at it. And I think I've really enjoyed it so far, so hopefully I could stick with it, keep it going. Hopefully it's enjoyable to watch, but so far so good. So today we're gonna do a walking tour of Florence for the morning, and then we're kind of on our own, so which is like one of my favorite things about traveling, is just exploring a city on our own. Yesterday was outstanding. I mean, I think I had 2 videos worth of material to kind of sort through. So much to unpack, super excited about it. Can't wait for the adventure that we're gonna have today. So hopefully join us. Oh yeah, so this is where I think I'm supposed to do a fit check or something. So I have my my bracelet, and then on this side I bought this one yesterday in Venice. I love the beadwork on it. So then I'm wearing my button-up, my half button-up shirt. So, you know, just kind of looking chill today. Just looking forward to walking around, get through some stuff. I think I'll wear something a little bit nicer when we go to dinner, but thanks for joining me, and hopefully you have fun. So I didn't get a chance yesterday to kind of show you the little bar area. So here's our hotel. It's a cute little hotel. There's a bar area. I've heard they had really good drinks. I wouldn't know. I heard that they were good. They did a Florence, which was like all these, I don't know, it was really good. It was very like citrusy, kind of tastes like orange juice, but it was green. It's very, very good. But just, yeah, really pretty here. Really beautiful little atmosphere at night. Yeah, I enjoyed it. Okay, so this is probably TMI, but first time I've ever used a bidet in my life, and I don't know if I'll ever be able to go back. That was pretty crazy. I don't know if I'll post this, but we'll see.
All stories here are long. 300 years of, investing money into this, right? So they began with, I told you, they always chose the best of their generation. The greatest architect of the moment in the early 1400s was the man who designed the dome. He's the one who designed the church. Then we jump ahead metaphorically by 100 years to Michelangelo, when the Medici were back in power, will be charged to add. Can you see that little smaller sphere, right? Smaller than half a dome, and that's sort of a cube. This is known as the new sacristy, because it's symmetrical to the other one. And this is where the Medicis we were talking about were buried. Okay, so the Medici.
Oh yeah, never mind. I forgot you had flights delayed and canceled, and.
But I usually try like at dinner to like sit with different groups of people and stuff too.
Yeah. And I tried telling them like, hey, do you need anything? Is there anything?
Oh, I know. Like they just are like, I don't know.
Yeah. Like the only thing, it's like you can't really complain about walking. You knew we were gonna walk. We took a hike before to like hopefully like condition you to like walk a little bit, you know.
One of the kids is on my scholastical team, and we went to DC for a tournament.
Oh, okay.
And I basically like ran him ragged, and I was like, "Oh, you just wait, we'll go to Italy."
Oh yeah, for sure. DC's pretty fast paced though.
We went from the Capitol building all the way to the White House. I'm like,
oh my gosh. Oh, there was one, because I did that with my daughter like 2-3 years ago. And so the guy that runs it was her history teacher, and he's like, okay, we can go through, I think it's is it the World War II Museum? I think that's what we went through. But he's like, we can go through it, we don't have time, but we have to run the whole way through. And so we jogged the whole freaking because then we went to this.
Well, we got to contact our congressperson first, and so we got to go in and go out on the speaker's balcony and stuff. And it was awesome.
That's amazing.
They're like, yeah, we're in special session, so actually you wasn't supposed to be there that day.
That's so great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And his aide was just gonna take us on a tour.
Well, even that would have been cool.
Yeah.
You know?
But then she was like, he's actually here, and he could do something that I can't. Come on.
Let's go. Let's go. Good. Yeah. It's cool, like when stuff like that opens itself up.
Yeah.
You know. It's pretty exciting.
I made such a fuss about going inside the dome because we didn't go the first time I went. I was like.
Make it. I know. If somebody said I need you to make me a carved statue of anything, that's gonna take my rest of my life. I'm gonna have to redo it 500 times. It's gonna be this big by the end of it, Caitlin. It'll be like that big.
Yeah.
Go.
Just like a smiley face.
Yeah. Even then, it'd just be like a stick figure. I bet you'd be able to do it. You could paint and stuff. I could see it.
Yeah, I don't know why I thought the church was just like the front. There was like nothing.
Oh, it's massive. Look at that. Way up there.
Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo and Donatello, they all lived like in the same like
Time period.
What? Were they friends?
Yeah. Well, I mean, I think one of the things about it is like all things are possible through God, and I don't think that's lost.
What?
That all things are possible through God, right? That's the message, and that's when you look at what they've made, you're like, oh.
See, and
it's in
even
worship.
people don't believe in God. Several people don't believe in God.
Yeah, lots of people.
But they are, by the way, you know, you're speechless, you know, in front of all this complex, right? Creation, etc. So you see, turning from noble, right, ideas to everyday life. This is it, you know, for the moment. This is still a very cute place. I mean, it's true that it's touristy a little bit, but
Yeah.
this is the oldest district of Florence, and there is a lot of the local families which still live in this area,
Oh wow.
which is not very comfortable, right? Because
Yeah.
cars, you see, you cannot use
very
the
narrow.
cars, narrow streets, a few shops for like for the family,
Yeah.
We love it. And here we got our oldest building. I take profit of the fact that you haven't been wrong yet. Compare with wrong. This is 1,500.
1,500. That's crazy.
Stay, but about underneath our feet. So by the way, you remember the northern walls of the Roman city were along the northern side of the cathedral. You remember I told you when we entered? Then there was a time of a total,
That's scary, baby.
Oh,
Oh, I like the hat. Right there. Tomatoes, fantastic. That's so cute. Avocados are...
Stores are so cute when they have like
The leather jackets are coming back, baby.
you walk 5 minutes down.
It was... I need to get a side hustle going. I need to like triple my income. I need to know how to do that.
You should buy houses and rent them out.
You have to have money collateral to buy the houses.
Right.
Plus, it's like your mortgage would be so high. I don't know if you could rent it for the amount of money.
I don't like that. They made it look like the wall.
Watch out.
Take a picture.
Of what?
Yankee go home.
Yankee go home. I like it. See, I'm American.
It's so funny that British people made that term for us, and we made it like our anthem.
And we have a baseball team after it.
Yankee
Yeah.
They don't like the Yankees here.
Let's go.
That is the main square.
Yes. Generale. Dolce Gabbana. Love it. Yes, I'll be here 6:30.
I think it's lessons in life, that's what I think.
100%. Regardless of what's going on, you're in a position like where you are now. If you don't enjoy it, then you're not using the gift that you've been provided.